In this problem, let x be the number of previous tests and y be the previous average. So the total marks before were simply x into y. Now for Diane, who scored another 97, the average now becomes this. This is the total now divided by the number of tests previously were x, and we have added one more test. This is given as 90. The second thing is given as for Peter. It is xy plus 73 upon x plus 1. This is given as 87. Now from first we can